Sing, sing, won't you sing for me? Beast in your belly, you've got to let it breathe. Sing, oh, sing for me. Beast in your belly, Lord, you've got to let it breathe. Breathe for me. Wash your hands, grab the soap, use your frying pan. Cause you've been digging down, burying dead. Grass grows tall over things that you wish that you forget. And better clean your plate. Mama's been slaving in the kitchen all day. Be sure to wipe the filth from your shoes. No one around here wants to know what you've been up to. And nothing's better than blood on blood. I promise, brother, you are safe with us. There's no telling what tomorrow will bring. We have our devils and law, we've got to let them sing. Sing, oh, sing for me. Beast in your belly, you've got to let it breathe. Sing, oh, sing for me. Beast in your belly, Lord, you've got to let it sing.
Gonna find my dreams at the bottom of the well. The hole is deep, the water feels cold. I break through the ice, push away the snow. Well, down at the bottom, there's a penny for my name. Gonna take this life, take away the pain. Surface, you can't hear a sound. I reached for a quarter and I damn near drowned. I came back up, I gasped for air. What the hell was I thinking? I was almost there. Well, 2 deep breaths, here we go again. This is where it starts, this is where it all ends. This is where it all ends. My life, you son of a bitch. If I had a nickel, every rock I turned, every friend I lost, every bridge I burned, gonna pick you up and out of this well. Gonna take this life, Lord, and give you hell. Selfish greed nearly took my soul. I gave it all up, $1 million checks. I wanted more, but forgot the rest.
Sweet high, sweet low, where will you stay tonight? With my heart, with my hopes, will you lay down by my side? Birds will they sing the sweetest lullaby at the day's end, where they lay me down to die. Fragile state of mind, and this tower of love will soon be mine. Down the river we flow, the white water washes